27. It's 360-437-0000. Yes, I mean, you're welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Ms. Pillow. Good morning to everyone else.
Good morning.
All right. Welcome everyone to traffic court. I'm Judge Ramsey-Heath. You're all here because you got a traffic or misdemeanor of some sort. I'm going to place you in breakout rooms so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There will be a little bit of a wait. Please don't use the help button. We can see that you're waiting. We know you're there and we are getting to you as quickly as we can. All right. While you are waiting for the attorneys to come visit you in your breakout room, if you know that you need to show something like registration, insurance, you got a brake light or a tail light fixed, your windshield fixed, go ahead and gather those items while you're waiting. Things will go faster for you. Please make sure that you are up, fully dressed and not moving around and prepared to be on camera when your case is called and you're returned back to the breakout room. Please watch for prompts to return to the main session, and that means we're ready to hear your case. I'm going to finish getting some folks named here so that we can get everyone into breakout rooms. I have a device that just says Nia. If you would give me your full name, please.
Nia Penn, Penn.
Thank you. Okay. Then I've got Lisa Thomas. Is that the correct name for you? Okay. Earl Christopher Taylor Jr. Is that your device?
Yes.
Thank you. Shelley Pierce. Is that your device?
Yes.
Thank you. Jared Payton.
This is Gerard Payton.
Thank you. Joe Thomas. Is that the correct name on your device?
Yes, ma'am.
Michael Tripp. Is that the correct name on your device?
Yes, ma'am.
Johnny Terrizzo. Is that yours?
Yeah.
Thank you. In the blue shirt on an iPhone, I'm asking you to unmute right now. Please unmute and give me your name.
Isaac Thomas.
Thank you. Then I have Brianna Powell. Is that correct name on your device?
Yes.
Delrico Parker. Is that the correct name on your device?
Yes.
Thank you. I have a Samsung that's not muted. Please speak up and give me your name.
Armani Powell.
Thank you. And then I have someone on a Wing Tech device. I've just sent you a prompt to unmute. Please unmute and give me a name. And is it Kambui Taharqua?
Yes.
Okay, good morning. Is that the correct name on your device?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. All right, guys, I'm going to get you into breakout rooms again. There might be a little bit of a wait. Use the time to gather insurance registration. If you got something fixed and you have proof, gather those items while you're waiting. Someone will be with you shortly. Please join these rooms when you see the invitations. All right, all of you should have an invitation to join by now. Please join. All right, for those of you who are just coming in, good morning. Welcome to Traffic Court. I am Judge Ramsey-Heath. I will be placing you in breakout rooms to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. If you know that you need to gather items to show the attorney, like updated registration or insurance, or you got something fixed on your car, please use this time to gather those items once you're in the breakout room so that things will move along when the attorneys get to you. I do need to make sure devices are properly named. I have one that just says Esther Rubin. You just muted. Please unmute. I need to confirm the name. I've sent you a prompt to unmute. Robert Powell, please unmute.
Yes.
Is that the correct name on your device?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please be prepared to be on camera when you come back in. That means fully dressed, sitting up, not moving, not driving. I have an unnamed iPhone. Please unmute and give me a name. Ma'am, on
Yes.
the wing tech, it
Yes,
looks like
Victor
you're
Ter-
driving. One moment, please. Ma'am, on the wing tech, it looks like you are driving. You cannot do that. You cannot drive while you are in court. You must pull over. All right, sorry about that. On the iPhone, name again, please.
Victor Terrell.
Thank you. And is it Hussein Fakai?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is that your correct name?
Yes, ma'am. Officer Fakir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Would you check that one for me, please? All right. So Robert Powell and Victor Terrell, you are going into breakout rooms. There will be a wait. Please don't use the help button. We know you're there. We know you're waiting. We can see you. Please join the breakout rooms now. Already there's someone that keeps using the help button.
I don't know how to do that. Oh, there you go. I'm sorry.
Mhm. Can you check Faki for me?
I see his name.
Sir, on the device, it says Esther Rubin Kedmus Prevalon. You're going to have to unmute. I can't do anything if you don't unmute your device.
Hello?
Yes, what's your name, please?
DeAndre Cardine Taylor.
Thank you. What's the middle initial? C?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, then I've got a Joshua. I need you to unmute and give me your full name, please.
Joshua Taylor.
Thank you. All right, then I've got Conrad Taylor. Is that the correct name on your device? And then, sir, on the device that says Esther Rubin, can you hear me, sir?
Were you talking to Conrad Taylor?
Nope, but now I am. Is that your correct name on your device, Mr. Taylor?
Yes.
Okay, you guys are going to start seeing invitations to the breakout rooms. I'm going to bring Mr. Aqua back now because he keeps asking me for help. I'm going to send you to the breakout rooms. Please use the time waiting to gather documents if you need to, registration, insurance, etc. Please do not use the help button. It makes me stop court out here. You will just be here longer if you use the help button. I've said this once this morning, Mr. Taharqua, yet you've been doing it several times, stopping me from doing what I need to do out here. DeAndre Taylor, you are going to room 18. Conrad Taylor, you are going to room 19. Joshua Taylor, you are going to room 20. Can you help me with Faki? I don't understand. That's not a name normally on our docket, is it?
Did you say he's an officer?
Hussein Faki or Fakai, are you an officer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what case are you here on?
For Esther Rubin.
Thank you. He's here, right here on screen, but he's not responding to me. The file must be under Rubin for us. All right. Officer Fakai, you're going to room 1 to meet with city attorney. She'll be with you shortly. Mr. Taharqua, how may I help you?
Good morning, Your Honor. First of all, Your Honor, please forgive me. This tech
technology is totally new to me. I'm an old guy, and I was just
Okay.
trying to make sure I was in the room. I'm so sorry.
Are
And
you
then,
were? I don't know what room you're, oh, you're in room 11. Okay, go ahead, please, because as you can see, I'm having to check multiple people in. I'm still in the
yes,
process.
but I want to thank you so much for accommodating me today. Due to my daughter passing, we had the funeral Saturday, and
Okay.
you let me reschedule for today. So I want to thank the court for that
Oh,
so
you are
much.
very welcome, and I am very sorry for your loss.
And bless you. Thank you, dear. Thank
Okay,
you.
so I'm gonna have to move you to get you back into the room where you were. I'm gonna move you twice, okay? So I don't have to kick it to the end of the line. Just watch your device. I'm gonna move you once, join,
Oh,
then I'm gonna move again, join. The attorneys will be there to see you.
okay, thank you.
21.
Now I push join.
Join, and then you're gonna see it again. So go ahead and push join now, then you're gonna see it again.
Okay.
Okay. Back to left. All right. Mr. Teresa, looks like you were in room 8. I'm gonna send you back there.
Sorry, no English, Spanish.
Ah, okay. Un momento, por favor. Esperas, por favor.
Okay.
Attorney Tesfamariam, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Giving you co-host now. Lots of folks in breakout rooms. I don't know who's your co-counsel today.
Okay.
Then she's not here yet.
All
All right,
right.
Savannah Pickard, good morning.
Good morning.
Attorney Tesfamariam, please do your best to, I really appreciate that you do use the renaming feature. If you are renaming the room instead of the person, when they get out here, I can't tell what the plea is because I don't know what room they came from. So if you can name the person versus the room, that would be great. If not, then just rename the room and then I'll bring them out so that it doesn't catch me without me knowing what the plea was. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Okay. I've got Savannah Pickard. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to send you into a breakout room to meet with an attorney. There is a wait. Please use the time you're waiting to gather registration or insurance documents if you need to do so. You're joining room 21. Please hit join. All right, I've got an unnamed iPhone. I need you to unmute and give me a name, please. Good morning. On the iPhone, unmute and give me a name, please. I'll have to remove you if I can't get a name. I've asked you to unmute. I need a name.
Can you hear me?
All right, yellow shirt. I need you to unmute. I need a name. Vante Pitts, good morning. Or Vante. Please unmute.
Hello,
Good morning. Is that your correct name on your device?
Vante Pitts.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to put you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney. Don't use the help button. There are a lot of you waiting. There's 1 or 2 attorneys making their ways through the room. There is a wait. Use your time to gather documents if you need to. Make sure you're fully dressed, sitting up and not moving in case you have to come back in. Room 22 for you, Mr. Pitts. Please hit join.
Thank you.
Esther Rubin.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Good. One moment, please.
Thank you.
Attorney Malafite, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I do believe both of your clients are here. I've got, yep, both of your clients are here. Let me see if I can get your offers on them. Let's see, I need a printed offer sheet. Where are they?
I don't think she sent them. I'll look again.
I really thought I saw them. You may be right. No. I don't see any offers.
Your Honor, in the meantime, could I quickly talk to Mr. Taylor in a breakout room?
Sure, he's here. Both of your clients are here.
Yeah, Mr. Tripp and I, we should be in good shape, but Mr. Taylor, I do need to quickly speak to.
All right. Will you have co-host? Do you not know where he is?
No, Judge, when you're on a phone, you can't tell.
You need to go to room 6 for Mr. Taylor.
Thank you.
Earl Taylor. All right, Attorney Wilkerson, good morning, giving you co-host.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Please use the rename feature. Attorney Tesfamariam has already started in room 3.
Alrighty, thank you. I'm gonna jump right in.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Esther Rubin, you have Attorney Perlman. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can start, wait for your attorney. The officer is here, so I'm just going to go ahead and put you in room 23. Do you require an interpreter, sir? Do you need an interpreter?
I need my lawyer, Jeff Bellman.
Okay, all right. I'll get you into room 23. Join. He will come to see you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. All right, I've still got the unnamed iPhone.
Mr. Parker. I can't hear you.
Oh, what is your first name, Mr. Parker?
Oh, Cedric Parker.
Thank you.
Yeah, you had it on mute. You had it on mute.
I sure did. It was all my fault. All right. Okay, I'm gonna get you in a breakout room, okay? See an
Okay.
attorney before I hear your matter.
Okay.
Please hit join. You're going to room 24. Isaac Thomas, how may I help you? I asked you guys not to use the help button and you just kept using it. Are you having an emergency of some sort?
No, I was at work. I got to start in a minute. So I was just seeing how long it was gonna be.
Mr. Thomas, this is court. Court isn't even scheduled to start till 8:30. It's 8:48. So
All right.
you have to time in your schedule to actually attend court. I don't know how long it's going to be because I don't know the facts of your case. I don't know what you're going to want to do. You haven't talked to a lawyer yet. These are all things that have to happen when you come to court. So would you like us to reschedule you for a day that you can take some more time for court?
No, you could stay on.
Well, you're the one that's got to stay on, and now you've left your breakout room, your nice comfy breakout room at number 7, and I'm at room number 24, 25. So I need you to look at your device and see if you can return yourself to breakout room number 7 because you were one of the first people here, and I don't want to treat you like you were one of the last people here.
All right.
Darnell's iPhone, I need your name.
Hi, it's Tercel Pride.
Spell the first name, please.
Tercel. Last name is Pride, Pride.
Thank you. I'm going to get you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney. They will get to your room. Please do not use the help button.
Okay,
They are
thank
coming.
you.
Okay, there's 25 of you guys and 2 of them. They're getting to you. They know you're waiting. Fine. Zoom user, unmute, please. What's your name? What's your name? One more time, please. It says Zoom user. What's your... Oh, this delay. Okay, we've got a delay, so it's did he say Tef?
Caleb Tedford.
Caleb Tedford. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to put you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney. Please don't use the help button. They can see you waiting. They'll get to you as soon as they can. You are going to room 26. Please hit join.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh boy. Okay, one more. All right, good morning. On the iPhone that was just admitted, please give me your name. You have my name on the device, but not yours. What's your name?
Tawana Posey.
Thank you. Spell Tawana for me.
Tawanda. Posey.
Thank you.
Poscy.
Okay, I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a wait. Use the time to gather documents if you need to. Please don't use the help button, and please be fully dressed, sitting up and not moving, prepared to be in court when your case is called. Going to room 27, please hit join. So a number ending in 5072, I need a name, please. 5072, I need a name.
Tyrone Perry.
Thank you. You're going to be placed in a breakout room, Mr. Perry, to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Please don't use the help button and don't hang up. It will be quiet in the room until they get there, and there is a wait. We know you are there and waiting. Use the time to gather documents if you need to. Room 28. All right, Attorney Malafite.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning. Are we ready on your matters?
I theoretically, yes, Judge. I don't actually know what the offers were. I know you were looking.
Oh, I don't have. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, I didn't receive them. So I don't have any information.
Okay. I guess
Ms.
I'll
Martin.
wait then until I have that information.
Okay, thanks. All right. We got anybody that's just paper? Let's Conrad Taylor have at 1:30?
First sale Friday has no insurance misdemeanor from 2021.
Okay. Thank you.
But actually only.
Ms. Pride, you have a no insurance from 2021.
Yes.
Did you bring proof of insurance today? Do you have it today?
No, I don't have it today. They just told me to come to court. I wasn't aware of what I needed, and I haven't talked to anyone. I'm sorry about that.
That's okay. That's fine. I can get you out of here if you have it, but since you don't, you need to wait to speak to the attorney. Okay. So I'm
Okay.
going to have the room. I need you to watch your device because I'm going to move you twice to get you back into the right room. Okay. So just watch. You're going to move once and you're going to move again.
Okay.
Join. Good morning, Ms. Horn. Attorney Malafite, Ms. Horn is here.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'll be
All right,
in room
let's-
2.
We are ready on, I wonder, did they get offers? Because I've got a plea on Brianna Powell in room 4. Okay.
Attorney Horn, did you send the offers to the attorneys?
Let me check. I don't know why my camera's not starting.
Yeah, we didn't get any offers. Well, me nor Kim, but I'm wondering if the attorneys did because I've got one on Powell. All right, ready on Brianna Powell.
Lucille Towns and Miss Wilkers?
Yeah.
Okay. And I will forward
And then-
those over to the court. Sorry about that, Your Honor.
That's okay. Attorney Malafite's looking for offers on Earl Taylor and Michael Tripp.
Okay, there you go. I sent them to the court. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, there's my camera.
Trying to get Miss Powell out. I don't know if it's gonna work. And ready on Delrico Parker.
And Your Honor, whenever the court knows what the recommendations are, if they could just let me know.
All right, one moment, please. I assume that she was sending them to you.
Judge, it's not insane to me that she wouldn't just because it's like appointed. She won't send them out necessarily to all of us. She'd probably just
No,
send
that's
it to the
okay. I'm
House
just
counsel.
saying that she just came in. She's here, so she knows you're looking for offers. She's in room 2. Why don't you just go to room 2 and grab them from her? Because I've got a couple.
Very good. Thank you.
All right, Delrico Parker. Good morning. Calling ticket number P1889946, City versus Delrico Parker. Mr. Parker, please state your name for the record.
Rico Parker.
Thank you. Mr. Parker, looks like you're going to be admitting to 1 to 5 over limited access. That's a 0-point ticket, takes you down from the 3 points, and then they're going to dismiss the license ticket. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
And you are admitting then to going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit on April 3rd, 2026 in the area of Gratiot and 7 Mile?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. $125, 60 days to pay it or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor to keep the deal intact. The license ticket is dismissed, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a great day.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye. All right, were you able to get those, Attorney Malafide?
Yes, Your Honor. We can start with Michael Tripp. We are ready to
Thank
proceed
you.
on that one.
All right, let me get him out. You may have to go tell them to come out. People have not been responding to
I'll do it.
invitations.
Just tell
He's
me
in
the room, Judge.
He's in room 12.
Thank you.
Mhm. All right, we've got Mr. Tripp.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, your attorney's on his way back here in just a moment. He went to look for you in your breakout room, but he's coming back out. All right, Mr. Tripp beat you back out here. Calling ticket number Z8099471, City versus Michael Tripp, counsel.
And good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafide, P72339, on behalf of Mr. Tripp. Mr. Tripp, please state your name for the record.
Michael Ambrose Tripp.
All right.
Thank you.
Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations. Specifically, my client is going to be pleading to the 1 minute count of operating while intoxicated.
Thank you. All right, so that is an amended count, a reduction from the original charge, Mr. Tripp. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial.
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Need an answer, please? I need an answer, Mr. Tripp.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Mr. Tripp, were you operating a vehicle on February 10th, 2026 in the area of West Davison and Linwood Street in Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Had you consumed alcohol or drugs at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
And what had you consumed?
Alcohol beverage.
And Your Honor, we'll stipulate to the intoxilizer.
All right, thank you. One moment, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so there was a refusal to submit to the PBT in this case. Says then a warrant was issued. For blood draw. All right, according to the blood draw, the blood established presence of alcohol at 0.187 grams per 100 milliliters, so that would be sufficient. All right, are you satisfied with that information, counsel? Are you satisfied with the factual basis?
I'm satisfied. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Okay, so now we're getting sentencing date. Madam Clerk, we need a sentencing date, July 6th.
Is July 6th, is the court asking if that works for me? Because it works.
Does that work for you?
Yes.
Yeah, July 6th at 8:30, okay.
Yes.
July 6th, 8:30 a.m. for sentencing. Mr. Tripp, you'll be getting a call from probation, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, in the meantime, I just briefly, is Mr. Tripp still in? Which breakout room was it?
Well, Mr. Tripp, that we just did, Mr. Taylor?
Oh, no, sorry. Yes.
Okay, yes.
I see it's room 6, Judge.
Thanks. All right, Joe Thomas, good morning again. Someone sent you out?
I apologize. I'm about to exit out. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's okay. We'll see you on your next date, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, thank you. We've got room 7, Isaac Thomas. I keep trying to get Brianna Powell out. All right, Mr. Thomas, good morning again.
Good morning.
All right, let's get you going. And the Isaac Thomas file, please. He's got 1 ticket in review and 1 failure to display.
Let me check the review one.
Okay, thank you. Calling ticket number P1885710, City versus Isaac Dewan Thomas. Mr. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Isaac Thomas.
Thank you. All right, looks like you're going to plead guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license, down from having never acquired one, or driving without a license. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Is it true that on April 1st of 2026 at Evergreen and Schoolcraft, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine on this one is $190, sir. I see you've requested a payment plan. We'll talk about that in a moment. You can put your hand down. But also if you need to convert to community service, I can do that.
No, I'll pay.
Okay. All right. Let me just we've got another ticket that we're reviewing. So this one's going to be $190. I'm trying to see how much time to pay because I need to know what's going on with your other matter.
It's just, it's a delayed sentence. He just owes the original charge of $215.
Okay.
That's minus the big fee.
All right. So you've got, thank you. You've got a ticket here that you haven't paid on. We were reviewing for some reason that was set at $215. And so that one still needs to get paid. Okay. And then this one you have $190. So what I'll do is I'll give you 60 days. In those 60 days, you need to do one of 2 things to keep your deal on the failure to display intact. You need to go see the cashiers about these tickets that you have and get on a long-term payment plan with them. They're going to want a down payment. That's why I'm giving you 60 days. Okay. I'm giving you 60 days just to see what the down payment is that they want and to get that saved up. You need to get these start long-term payment plan. They can do that for you. Otherwise, you're just going to keep going round and round in circles with these tickets. Okay.
All right.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Thomas.
Okay.
Not get Brianna Powell to come out. Yeah, Brianna Powell. Yeah, because she's supposed to be out here, but I can't get her to come out. I'm going to go back in and see if I can get her again. Okay, I think she's coming out now. Do I have Miss Powell with me? Waiting room again now. Darn it, and now her plea is gone. Yes, I wish they wouldn't do that. All right, Ms. Powell, I got to start over with you because you left and came back in. So now the plea notations are no longer next to your name, and I got to try to figure out what they were.
And I was on here. I don't know. My screen just went black and then it just went away.
All right. Phone number ending in 8330. I need a name, please. Phone number ending in 8330. I need a name, please.
Jasmine Turner.
Jackie is the first name,
Jasmine
and Turner or Taylor?
Turner.
Thank you. I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Please don't use the help button. Just wait patiently for them. They are coming, okay?
Okay, thank you.
It'll just be quiet until they get to your room. I see what I needed to see, Ms. Powell. I'll get you in just a minute.
Okay.
All right. So I have ticket number X4117111, City versus Brianna Powell. Ms. Powell, state your name for the record, please.
Brianna Powell.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of reduced charge of failure to display a license. Well, it's not actually reduced. You were charged with failure to display or not having a license. No, you're charged with not having a license. So this is a reduction. And then they're going to dismiss the other 2 tickets. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody promise you anything else? Get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel explain that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Can you repeat yourself?
Did counsel explain to you that you have the right to a trial?
Yes.
And did they explain that you have the rights that you would have at a trial?
No, she just said something about like I could take it to trial, but she didn't like explain it.
If you went to trial, you would have certain rights, okay? You would have the right to see, hear, and question witnesses against you, and have a subpoena witnesses on your own behalf. You'd have the choice to testify on your own behalf or to remain silent. The government would have no right to comment on your choice to remain silent, and you'd have the right to be presumed innocent unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand those rights?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept a plea today because there won't be a trial.
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. So is it true that on September 2nd of 2022 in the area of I-96 in Grand River that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. The fine is going to be $190 on that one. That's as low as I can make it. So $190. And then we're dismissing the license plate. That insurance ticket is a civil infraction from 2022. There's nothing I can do with that one. It just means you have a fine. You have to pay to the court. It's old. It's so old that I can't touch it.
Yeah, I paid the excuse me, but I paid the ticket.
Okay,
when
that's fine.
yeah, I paid it.
I'm just looking at the ticket you got. I'm not looking at a record of payments. I'm just saying if you had that one, I'm not canceling it because it's old. And it's not a misdemeanor. I can only work with misdemeanors after a certain amount of time, not civil infractions. All right, so $190 on your failure to display, 60 days to get it paid or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers here at the courthouse on the first floor, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Okay. We got a
So-
Spanish interpreter.
So I just
You're all
leave,
good.
right?
Hold on, I'm going to help you. There you go. I'll help you.
Not yet.
We haven't heard it from anyone.
No, she said she was, she'll work.
What you did with the naming. Good morning, everyone. You're going to be placed in breakout rooms so that I can hear your, you can speak with an attorney before I hear your matter. I'm going to send you to breakout rooms now. There will be a wait when you get to the breakout room. Please don't use the help button. We know you're waiting. We know you're there. We can see you. Use the time that you're waiting if you need to gather documents like registration, insurance, things like that. The attorneys will get to you as soon as they can. Let's go to, let's see, Derwin Taylor, you're going to go to room 30. Pamela Parker, you're going to go to room 31. Please join the breakout rooms. Please join the breakout rooms when you see the invitation. Ms. Thomas, because you're here for formal hearing, I'm going to place you up at room 3. Please join the breakout room. Have we heard from Attorney Pearlman?
Oh, no.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. I'm going to go ahead and swear you in now so that I know it's done and I don't forget. Name and qualifications for the record, please.
Celine Yu, qualified Spanish interpreter 16237. My name is spelled as Celene, last name Jue.
Thank you. Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that you will, as accurately as possible and to the best of your ability, translate English to Spanish and Spanish to English today.
I do, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, you can put your hand down. I'm going to give you co-host, and let's see, the client is in number 8. So I will send you to room 8. I will have an attorney join you there momentarily.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Uh-huh. All right, Attorney Pearlman, good morning.
For Ms. Prevalent.
I'm just looking to see what the offer, see if I have an offer for you. Are they on our docket as prevalent, Madam Clerk?
They're actually on 218 docket, but it's supposed to be in here.
Okay, so we don't have an offer written on this then?
No.
Okay. All right, Attorney Pearlman, you're going to need to see Ms. Horn about your client, and she's gone. She just left. So, but your client's been here for a little bit. They are in room 23.
So what? So is the prosecutor coming back?
I mean, yeah, she'll be back. She was just here. You know, she bounces to other courtrooms. So the problem is I don't have an offer in your matter. So if you need to reschedule it and let your client know that so that you can get an offer,
Sure.
it was placed on the wrong docket in the wrong courtroom. So
Okay.
if you want to go client and let them know that, and that's fine. If you've got, you know, if you're moving today,
Sure.
they are.
I'll call my client. Can we adjourn it?
That's fine, but your client's been waiting quite a while, and I don't want the client leaving without him at least seeing your face. So he's in room 23. I can bring him out, which I'm trying to do right now.
Thank you.
Can I have the Earl Taylor file, please? And then let's get Mr. Esther Rubin. Mr. Esther Rubin, your attorney, Attorney Pearlman is here. Can I have those 2 files, please, Madam Clerk? Esther Rubin and Earl Taylor. Thank you.
I can call the Esther Rubin.
Yeah, go ahead and call it, please. Let's just get them a date to get back here. Mr. Esther Rubin, your case was placed on a different courtroom's docket, so the city attorney has not had a chance to write an offer or make you a plea proposal in your file yet, which Attorney Perlman needs to proceed. So we're going to give you a date to come back, okay? All right. Madam Clerk, go ahead and call the matter, please.
For Esther Rubin Prevalon, SP 188-97461, failed to yield right of way or interfere with traffic.
Thank you. Attorney Perlman.
Yes, good morning, Jeff Perlman on behalf of Esther Rubin Prevalon.
I've got a final pretrial next date of May 26th at 8:35. Can you do that?
I'm going to be out of town that day. Can we have one more date?
Yep.
Is that day?
We can do the 27th. Do you want to do May 27th? Attorney Perlman?
That day will work fine, the 26th.
The 26th? Okay, so we'll see you 26th, 8:35 a.m. Just so you know, hopefully we have the offer then, but city attorney comes here early because we start early and then she bounces to the other courtroom. So to catch her here, come early. Okay.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Okay. Thank you too. Mr. Esther Rubin, we'll see you back May 26th, 8:35 a.m.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Have a good day. Bye-bye. All right, on Earl Taylor, thank you, Madam Clerk. On Earl Taylor, case number Z809. Z8099441, City versus Earl Christopher Taylor. Counsel.
And good morning once again, Your Honor. Tim Malified P 72339 on behalf of Earl Taylor. Mr. Taylor, please state your full name for the record.
Earl Christopher Taylor, Jr.
Thank you. And what are we doing, counsel?
Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations. My client will be pleading to the amended count of operating while intoxicated.
Thank you. Originally charged as a high BAC, being reduced to while intoxicated. Mr. Taylor, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, it is.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. One moment, please. All right, sir. On February 17th of 2026, were you operating a vehicle on Gratiot Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And had you been consuming alcohol or drugs at that time?
Yes.
And which had you been consuming?
Alcohol.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, we'll stipulate to the data master in this.
All right, thank you. One moment, please. All right, looks like the data master was returned, and it put you well over the legal limit. One moment, I'm just trying to get your exact numbers. Looks like it was a 0.21 at the end. All right, so that would be sufficient, sir. Attorney Malafite, you satisfied with the factual basis given that information?
Satisfied.
All right, thank you. All right, we've got our sentencing date. I think you said that worked for you before on July 6th at 8:30 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll see you back then for sentencing. Mr. Taylor, you're going to get a call from probation. They're going to interview you before they make a sentencing recommendation for me. So they'll have you come in and see them prior to your next court date. The next court date is going to be July 6th, 8:30 in the morning for sentencing.
Okay.
Okay, have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. All right, Madam Clerk, and I've got Mr. Carrizo. You're ready on the Carrizo.
I got it, Counselor. Thank you.
You have the Carrizo file, Madam Clerk?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. All right, our interpreter has already been sworn.
Muy bien.
Calling ticket number P1889143, City versus Johnny De Jesus Chorizo.
Muy bien, el intérprete ya ha sido previamente juramentado. Estamos en la causa de la Fiscalía contra el señor Johnny de Jesús Chorizo Turiz. El número de la causa es SP1889143.
Attorney Wilkerson, your appearance, please.
Abogada Wilkerson, por favor, preséntese, por favor.
Tillmanger Wilkerson, Pete 81003, on behalf of Mr. Chorizo.
Tilmandra Wilkerson, representando al señor Johnny de Jesús Turizo. Mi número profesional es 81003.
Mr. Chorizo, state your name, please.
Señor Turizo, por favor, diga su nombre.
Johnny Turizo.
Johnny Turizo.
Mr. Chorizo, your failure to stop for stop sign is being reduced to blockading traffic and the no insurance ticket is being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Señor Turizo, la boleta que usted tenía de fallar en detenerse en el rótulo de alto va a ser modificado a obstruir el tráfico. A cambio de eso, su boleta de no tener seguro va a ser desestimado. ¿Esto es lo que usted tiene por entendido?
Sí.
Yes.
Sir, then you are admitting that on April 1st of 2026 at Tireman and Abington Avenue that you were blockading traffic, correct?
Entonces, señor, dígame, usted está admitiendo que el 1 de abril del año 2026 en las calles Tyre y Mantingham, usted estaba obstruyendo el tráfico, ¿no es así?
Sí, así es.
Yes, that is correct.
Your fine is $175. You have 60 days to get it paid or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor.
La multa va a ser de $175. Usted tiene 60 días para pagarlo o puede empezar un plan de pagos. Eso sería en el primer piso con las cajeras de aquí del tribunal.
You may pay online or in person at the courthouse. Have a good day.
Usted puede pagar en línea o puede venir de manera personal aquí al tribunal. Que tenga buen día.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Interpreter.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Counsel. Have a great day.
Corporal Vajan, good morning. Defendant is here getting you into breakout room number 1.
Okay, thank you.
And then I've got Corporal Spidell. I do believe I checked in, Mark. I checked in a Pride or a Price. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Spidell, your defendant is not here yet, but I'll go ahead and get you into room 1 with City Attorney. She'll come see you in a minute. For some reason, is that LaQuaya Thomas? Is that a mistaken identity? All right, we've got Lisa Thomas ready, so I'll take that one.
Marcus Price.
Are you talking? All right, Lisa Thomas, good morning. Corporal Spidell, you should see the invite to room 1. Okay. All right, Lisa Thomas, please make sure you're fully dressed, sitting up, turn your camera on and unmute. Good morning. Okay, all right. Calling ticket number P1891353 and P1082113, City versus Lisa Marte Thomas. Ma'am, is your name Lisa Marte Thomas?
Yes.
Thank you. You are going to be pleading guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Your other charges would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Okay. Madam Court Reporter, I don't know if you can see the screen, but I am noting for the record that Ms. Thomas is shaking her head in the answer no.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Thomas, are you pleading guilty today because you are guilty?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. Ma'am, is it true that on April 1st of 2026, in the area of Finkel and Ward, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, it's going to be $190.
Okay.
You have 60 days to pay it or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. You may start a payment plan with them if you need one. Just make sure it gets done within the 60 days, okay?
There isn't a letter in the mail.
You may pay.
This pen.
You may use the chat, Ms. Thomas. I'm going to send you a chat so that you can use the feature so that you can ask me your question. It just says start. If you have something you want to ask me in the chat. You can pay your tickets online through the court's website, or you can pay one of the cashiers in person at the courthouse on the first floor.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Any other questions for me, Ms. Thomas?
This one. So I will not receive nothing in the mail for payment. This has to go.
I'm sorry, Ms. Thomas. I'm going to have to ask you to use the chat because I can't understand your question. But you may use the chat to.
I don't know how to do that.
Okay, well, I understood that. You want to try your question one more time? I said I was able to. Well,
I received a letter in the mail to send the payment, or I just serve and pay.
yes, you can use. So if you want to pay your ticket online, you can go on the court's website and put your name in or your ticket number in. Starting tomorrow. If you want to pay it in person, then you can just come down here and do that.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Officer Groves. Okay, you're on Marcus Price. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Get you into breakout room number 1.
Thank you.
I feel like Spidell wanted to tell us something because he came back out, but I don't know what, and I think he's left. All right, we're ready next on Robert Powell. And then can we pull the Nia Pin file? Thank you. Looks like she's maybe got a delayed sentence, so she's hoping for early case closing. Robert Powell, good morning. Please make sure you're fully dressed, sitting up, not moving around. Activate your camera so that we can do your plea. Good morning again.
Morning.
Calling ticket number P1891198, City versus Robert Jerome Powell. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Robert Jerome Powell.
Thank you. You have 2 counts in front of me: improper transport of usable marijuana and open alcohol passenger. Looks like you're going to plead to the marijuana on a 3-month delayed sentence. The alcohol would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, they did.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Is it true, sir, that on April 1st of 2026, in the area of West Jefferson and 24th Street, that you were transporting a portion of usable marijuana within arm's reach?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
All right, thank you. The fine there is $190. You have 60 days. Within the 60 days, either pay it in full or see the cashiers on the first floor for a longer term payment plan if you need one. Get them the down payment they're asking for within the 60 days. I'm sorry, you're a delayed sentence. 90 days, okay? 90 days to pay this in full because it's a delayed sentence. You understand what that means? That means that as long as you pay it within the 90 days, don't get any similar tickets. We'll just pull this up and dismiss it for you at that time, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
All right, you too.
All right, bye-bye. All right, Ms. Penn, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
No, just let me see the file. Okay. Thank you, but it may be pre-calculated going forward, right? I'm just trying to see if I've gotten a recent report on you, Ms. Penn.
Okay.
Doesn't look like it. Would you see if someone could zoom in for Ms. Penn, please? You were placed on 12 months probation, Ms. Penn.
Yes.
All right. So the only thing they're showing that you still owe $180, but sometimes they calculate that going forward and you don't really owe it if the case gets closed early. I need to get an answer to that question. So I'm asking them to come zoom in. Okay.
Yes. The 180 was in regards to coming to urine at the court, but because I was doing it off-site, then I didn't have to pay my 80.
Gotcha. Okay, so give us just a moment. We'll just confirm everything and then I'm happy to hear your request, okay?
Okay.
Okay, on Brittany's iPhone, I need you to unmute and I need a name, please, on Brittany's iPhone.
Good morning, Police Officer Brittany Moss.
Thank you. And which case are you here on, Officer Moss?
I believe you pronounced the name Ariane Thomas.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room number 1. City Attorney will come see you there.
Thank you.
I have Jermeel Upshaw. Jermeel Upshaw, please unmute. Jermeel Upshaw, please unmute.
Yes, I'm here, Officer Upshaw now.
Which case are you here on, Officer Upshaw?
Marcus Price for interim file permission.
All right, I'm going to get you into breakout room number 1 to meet with City Attorney. She'll be there shortly.
Yes.
Please hit join. Ms. Penn, I'm going to turn your camera off for just a minute so you're not on display, okay? And then as soon as I hear back from probation, we'll pull them in here.
He's in Judge Jones' courtroom, but he's gonna log in after
Who's that?
probation officer.
Okay, great. Thank you.
And, yeah, you, for the Thomas, you did write on the back that it. Something about the ID.
That's what I thought. And who is the officer there? That was Fidel? No, Corporal Bajan. What are we doing here? 15 going.
Other misdemeanor cases.
On LaQuia Thomas. Can't get Corporal Bajan to come out now. It's really getting on my nerves. Corporal Bajan, good morning.
Good morning.
So we're here on LaQuia Thomas, who is changing the identification of her as the driver. Do you have an independent recollection of what Ms. Thomas looks like?
I would have to watch her body camera footage because I watched it last Wednesday. I watched it because I haven't been at work. I've been off, so I watched it. I watched the entire video, but no, I'd have to watch the video again.
She's here for a trial, a formal hearing today at 9:30. She's been waiting for a while. When do you need to look at it, and how do you? If you can't,
I can't watch it till tomorrow.
Okay, so I'm going to bring her in, and you can tell me if you think she looks like the person on the video. But
okay,
you've got to. That's essential to trial. You've got to be able to identify her. And if you're telling me you can't identify her, you can't remember what she's challenged the identity. Ms. Thomas, good morning. You're here, Ms. Thomas, because you were challenging the identification in your case. I've got Corporal Bajan here, who would have been the person who issued this particular ticket. So I've asked her to come in and take a look at you. She says she's reviewed body cam footage. And, Corporal Bajan, this is Ms. Thomas. Can you see Ms. Thomas?
I don't see her.
Okay, you're going to need to move your screen around. You'll have to swipe if you're on a phone or a tablet so that you can see all the people who are in the room. She's named.
Okay. I see her, but in the video, the person had their hair up, so I wouldn't be able to identify.
All right. All right, so you can wait for the city attorney. I'm likely going to dismiss this matter. If you have an objection to that, you can let me know, but that's where I am at this point if you can't make the identification.
Okay, you can go ahead and just dismiss because the driver had her hair pulled back real tight.
Okay. Okay, all right, calling ticket number P1880048, City versus LaQuaya Thomas. Ms. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
LaQuaya Thomas.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, Ms. Thomas, you appeared before me before. Your other matters, which you took care of, were dismissed. This particular ticket you were challenging based upon the identification stating that you were not the person who was named on the ticket. Also noting for the record that there's no plate number on the ticket, making it a bit harder, but this is associated with a 2020 gray Chevrolet. All right. All right. This ticket is going to be dismissed at this time, for the failure to be able to identify the defendant. All right, Ms. Thomas. I know what you were hoping for was to get some discovery or whatever to see if you could see who was actually on that video. You can ask the police department for the video if you want to try to get to the bottom of that. Corporal Vajan, is there a precinct there, district number that you operate out of?
I'm at the 2nd precinct, but if she wanted the body camera footage, she could go to the 3rd precinct and request it under the Freedom of Information Act, and they could give her the video.
Okay.
Thank
So,
you.
Ms. Thomas, do you want to write down this ticket number so that you can pursue that further?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
P1880048. That's your ticket number, and it was issued March 12th, 2026 at approximately 2:35 p.m. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Corporal Vajan.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day. I'll be with you on the iPhone in just a moment. Were you in a room previously talking with the attorney? Unmute.
No, I actually just found my paper. My court
Hold
date
on
was.
just a minute. I need just a moment. I'll be right with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Morning, Attorney Horn. Good morning again. Ms. Horn. All right. What's your name, ma'am, on the iPhone?
Ariane Thomas. I wasn't sure if it was for today or if it was for tomorrow.
It is for today. The officer, at least one officer is here, so I'm glad you're here, okay?
I apologize about that. I'm just getting out the hospital. My son is sick.
That's okay. I'm really sorry to hear that. You're not really late. I'll get you on into a breakout room, okay?
Thank you.
Have you spoken with an attorney at all outside of court?
No, not since the last one that I had.
Okay, sending you to room 3. Please hit join. I know I had a trial patient from, where'd they go? Oh, that was LaQuaya Thomas.
Morning. You know, the provolone. Did they check me? They still here? Okay, if you don't mind, I just need a copy. I don't have it, wasn't on our copy. I was here.
All right. Ms. Pierce, good morning.
Good morning.
I see somebody sent you back out. Did they give you a date to come back?
Yes,
Okay. When did they tell you?
June 1st.
Okay, looks like Ms. Tesfamarian, were you done talking with her? Because she's still in that breakout room, the attorney. Were you
She told me I was free to leave.
free to go? Okay, then we'll see you back on your return date. Have a great day.
You too. You have a blessed
Thank
one.
You too. Bye. Right, ready on Joshua Taylor now. Sorry, Ms. Penn, as soon as I get a probation officer here, we can proceed with your case. On the Samsung that was just admitted, I need a name, please. Please unmute and give me a name on the Samsung device, or I will have to remove you from the session. What's your name, please?
Corporal Love.
Which case are you here on, please?
Price.
Thank you. I'll get you into breakout room number 1 to see city attorney.
Thank you.
Please hit join.
Thank you.
I'm gonna try to go get Joshua Taylor to come out. Mr. Taylor. So frustrating. Like, people could go, but they won't come out. You need to come to the main session. Like, I don't. Get him to call back in so he doesn't. Good morning. I'd need a name, please. I need a name or you will be removed.
Conrad Taylor.
Conrad Taylor.
Yeah, he got disconnected. Sorry, Your Honor. He's using my device. So I'm gonna let him go forward.
One moment, I'll get him in the breakout room. Just trying to see where it was before. Do you know which room he was in?
19.
19, which you're still appearing in 19, so we'll try to do it again. All
Yes.
right, you're going back to 19. Go ahead and hit join. All right. I've got Joshua Taylor. Good morning. Unmute, please. Or you're unmuted. State your name, Mr. Taylor, so I can make sure everything's working.
Joshua Taylor.
There we go. All right. Calling tickets number P17757763 and all other related matters on today's docket. Two City versus Joshua Taylor. Mr. Taylor, state your name for the record.
Joshua Taylor.
Mr. Taylor, I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license. All of your other tickets would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today? Other than they were dismissing all your other tickets?
Yes.
And reducing the amount? Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I take your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Everything I'll tell you is true.
Thank you. You can put your hand down, sir. Is it true that on August 15th of 2025 in the area of Marlow and Puritan that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
True.
Thank you. The fine is $190. You have 60 days to either pay it in full or see the cashiers on the first floor to get on a longer term payment plan. You just need to get them the down payment within the 60 days. You may pay on the court's website, online, or you may come in person and pay the cashiers on the first floor. Have a great day.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, would you see if probation has anyone else that can come? Because Ms. Penn is just sitting here. Cedric Parker is next. Thank you. All right, Cedric Parker, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Vontae Pitts, good morning to you again. Mr.
Good morning.
Pitts, good morning. Listen, it looked like you had already been in a room. The attorney, I saw a no response next to your name. So you need to be listening for the attorneys to come in and talk to you or they're going to skip you, putting you back in a breakout room. Please hit join. All right. Calling ticket number P1792741 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Cedric Parker. Mr. Parker, good morning. Please state your name.
Cedric Parker.
Thank you. Looks like you're pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a license, everything else being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Is it true that on September 25th, 2025, in the area of Bramall and Vern, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is going to be $190. You have 60 days to get it paid.
Okay. Question, do I have to go to the front window and just pay the whole thing?
So you can do that. You can come down to the courthouse and pay on the first floor.
Okay.
You can go see the cash, I'm sorry, or you can do it online through the court's website, but wait until tomorrow at least. Okay.
Okay, so when I go to the window, what do I say when I go
For
to
the
the window?
record, so I'm going to finish talking, Mr. Parker, for the
I'm
record. Okay.
sorry.
The rest of your tickets are dismissed. When you want to pay your ticket, it's $190. You have 60 days. You may pay it in full within the 60 days, or you may also ask the cashiers for a longer term payment plan if you need one, but they'll want a down payment. So you got to get them the down payment at least in the 60 days. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Now, when you go onto the court's website, there's a portion that says look up a case or balance. You give them your name or your ticket number, put it in there, and you'll see it. Same thing with the cashiers. When you come in, you'll give them your name or your ticket number. They'll look up what you owe and talk to you about a payment plan or take your payment in full. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day, Mr. Parker.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh. We need a new offer on Caleb Tedford, and 26 and 28 need offers. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. You said this is on 27. Nope. It's from 2022, so not necessarily a surprise.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
Mr. Terrell, I don't see him on the docket. What cases does he have up for today?
I don't see any. The last tickets I have for him, they are in warrant status for no operator's license on person and no insurance misdemeanor. The warrant was issued April 27th.
Do we run an SOS? Let's run the SOS. We'll run it. Let's run an SOS on him since it's just license and insurance.
Well, he says he has a speeding matter and an improper equipment charge.
Oh, he may need a new date. We'll see. Ms. Horn, I'm just making sure you know that they're looking for new offers in 26 and 28. And then I've got Tawanda Posey, who seems to be a dismissal. I've not heard from the officer in that matter. I suspect this is her coming back in now because she got kicked out.
I think I need to, for 26, 28, I understand they have warrant status tickets, but what are those tickets?
I'm not sure.
They're scheduled for show cause. So when it's show cause, I can pull it like.
Do I have Tawanda Posey in the courtroom?
Yes.
Thank you, Ms. Posey. The officer subpoenaed to appear today. If failed to appear, I'm going to call your matter. It's P1299410, City versus Tawanda Posey. Ms. Posey, just state your name for the record, please.
Tawana Posey.
Thank you. Your trial case was set for trial today. The officers were subpoenaed to appear and had failed to appear and failed to notify the court as to the reason for a non-appearance. For that reason, your tickets are being dismissed at this time without prejudice. Without prejudice means that the officers could refile them in the future. They don't normally do so, but it can happen. If it happened, you'd come back and see me again, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a great day.
All right, you do the same. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm looking for some ticket numbers for Victor Terrell. I don't
Hold
have.
on, I don't know if Madam Clerk is ready yet.
Oh, yeah, I'm ready for Victor.
Okay, she's ready.
Yeah, I need some ticket numbers for Victor Terrell. I don't see him on the docket.
SP 1881033, counts 1 and 2. Those are the two in warrant status. And then there's SP 1881034, counts 1 and 2. Those are the tickets in default.
Okay, that's it. Nothing else further for him, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I've got probation officer Hunter. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. I have Nia Penn here with me, who is moving under the statute for early release from probation. System shows that she's got $180, but she says she was doing her testing off site, and so that amount is not actually owed. I just want to confirm that.
Yes, Your Honor. In going over the information for Ms. Penn.
Actually, let's call this. I'm sorry. Calling ticket number Z809540, City versus Nia Penn. Ms. Penn, go ahead and turn your camera back on now, please. All right, Officer Hunter, sorry to interrupt. Go ahead, please.
Oh, no problem, Your Honor.
It
Sam
says
Hunter.
I'm unable to start the video. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's okay. We'll just have you stand by.
There we go.
Sam Hunter,
Go ahead,
appearing
officer.
on behalf of probation, Your Honor.
Thank you. And then Ms. Penn, sorry, unmute, state your name.
Nia Penn.
Thank you. All right, Officer Hunter, have you had a chance to review Ms. Penn's file?
Yes, Your Honor, I have. In going over the information, Ms. Penn was sentenced to 12 months probation on November 10th of 2025. Your Honor, I have documentation, certificates of completion for Ms. Penn for alcohol highway safety, the Choices program. I also have looked into her testing. She's testing as ordered, Your Honor. She tested on site. Her last test was negative, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so we've had positive tests. It looks like we got, you've been going to your counselor, Ms. Penn?
I'm sorry.
Have you been going to your counselor? I have a note that you were going to your own counselor.
Yes, I did email the statement to Mr. Hunter.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. That kind of confused me because it came in with the certificate of completion. Your Honor, I do have documentation from Mr. Rico Ruiz, clinical therapist, documenting Ms. Penn's therapeutic engagement ongoing, and that she's been participating in their program.
All right, thank you. So it sounds like all requested items have been complied with, and we've not had any positive screens, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, then Ms. Penn, I am happy to, I'm going to go ahead and grant Ms. Penn's motion for early release under the statute, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
Congratulations.
You are officially off probation, Ms. Penn, all tied up. Good job getting everything done quickly so that you could do this.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your day.
All right. Bye-bye.
Your Honor, I want to apologize for being late. I was in another courtroom, so
That's okay. I
apologies.
know you were. I actually was just seeing if there was anybody else available because I just wanted to confirm that one piece of information about the $180. So thank you for jumping in. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Take care, Mr. Hunter.
All right. Take care, Ms. Penn.
Oh, I know.
Oh, her, yes, I looked her up. Not that far. I said, "No, I need to-"
Mhm. Attorney Testimariam, I know you were looking for Attorney Horn. She's here in the courtroom. Has anyone spoken to Ariane Thomas in room 3?
No.
Okay, who's on the odds?
Ms. Testimariam.
I am.
Okay, so she's got an offer on the 9:30 for Ms. Ariane Thomas, which is to do a 3-month delay.
Actually, she dismissal upon payment of fines and costs on the one on the
Oh, that's right. Thank you.
semi-nude, and then dismissal of the not having her entertainment card ticket.
So dismiss the card and dismiss upon payment of fines and costs on the semi-nude.
I'm not understanding. I'm trying to find her on the docket. Let me,
She's on the 9:30 docket. She's charged with failure to have her her entertainment card. The offer is to dismiss that ticket. She's also charged with semi-nude. The offer on the semi-nude is that if she wants to take it, they'll just dismiss it as soon as the fines and costs are paid, which is $190.
so that's a delayed sentence.
In a sense, but it's only delayed to the, yes, it's a delayed sentence with dismissal when she gets it paid. So there's no.
And that, what's the charge? How much is that? 220?
190.
Oh, 190, okay. And does she have any other matters? That's it? Just the two matters?
Just those two. So if you would go get that to her while you guys are waiting on your other offers, that would be great.
Thank you.
Okay, Attorney Wilkerson, I saw that Derwin Taylor looked like it was ready, but you had an asterisk, so I wanted to make sure before I did anything with it that you were sure.
Yes, he is ready. Ms. Horn, while you're out there, I'm not sure if you're doing this already, but on Tedford and Perry, I just need adjusted offers because they have tickets and warrant status.
Yes, I'm reviewing those files now.
Okay, thank you so much. And yes, Mr. Taylor is ready, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, I'll let you get back to work. I'll take Mr. Taylor. Thank you. I just wanted to clarify that. Calling ticket number P1888366 and P1888340, City versus Derwin Taylor. Mr. Taylor, unmute, turn on your video, and state your name, please. Yep, you got to unmute. Mr. Taylor, I need you to unmute or I can't do anything.
Hello.
There we go. There we go. Good morning.
Good morning.
Right. Once again, calling ticket number P1888366 and P1888340, City versus Derwin Taylor. Mr. Taylor, state your name for the record, please.
Derwin Dwayne Taylor.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor, it appears that you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license with everything else being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
Yes.
Is it true, sir, that on March 26th of 2026 in the area of Joy Road and Ward that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
That fine is $190, sir. You have 60 days to either pay it or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor, okay? If you want a payment plan, they're going to want a down payment from you. So I give you 60 days just to get your down payment together so you don't lose your deal, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right, $190. You can pay it online through the court's website, or you can go see the cashiers to pay in person, okay?
All right.
For the record, everything else is dismissed pursuant to your plea. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you very much.
All right, I've got a device that says Colian Mac. You're going to need to unmute and turn your camera on. Please make sure you're decent, or I have to remove you from the session. You do not have a name that would be on my docket. Colian Mac. Unmute. right, we've got 17 Victor Terrell, 18 Conrad Taylor, 21. Those are all attorney testimonium. What's Jasmine Turner having in 29? Oh, she does. I think they may need an offer on Jasmine Turner as well, Madam Clerk, because she's got a valid license. I mean, sorry, Ms. Horn, she's got a valid license. Attorney Wilkerson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I emailed her the offer for, Tyrone Perry.
Okay, says you got an offer emailed to you on Tyrone Perry.
Okay, thank you. I'll check it now.
Thank you. Coleon Mack, attorney testimonium.
Yeah, on the semi-new ticket, can I get the club name or club location? Semi-new. I need the.
I'll give you the location. Give me just a moment.
Okay.
Can I file, please?
There's no
This is the
ticket.
address on Ford Road.
It's also always on there.
That ticket ends with 9422. Semi-nude.
Give me a moment. That one is charged at an address on Ford Road, 18728 Ford Road.
Okay, and that's in Detroit, of course. Now, the other ticket, 8122, what's the location on that one?
Same address on Ford Road.
Okay, what's the date and time on that one?
So the date and time are the same on both. The offense date is February 25th of 2022, approximately 10:30 p.m. on both of these.
February the 25th or the 22nd?
February 25, February 25th of 2022.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Coleon Mack, I need a name. What's your name? You've unmuted now, but I still don't know a name, and you do not have the name on your device that would align with my docket. So I will have to remove you if you do not speak up and provide me with a name that would be on my docket. Would you email me the offer on Terry as well? So that I have it if she sends them out. Thank you. And Ms. Horn, let me know if it's okay to tell you another couple where they're gonna need offers from you.
Yeah, just one moment.
Okay,
Thank you.
just let me know when. Thank you, Madam Clerk. Ms. Turner, good morning.
Good morning.
Jasmine.
Good
So we
morning.
verified, good morning. We have verified now that you have a valid license.
Yes,
But you also had
valid
tickets.
license.
You also had tickets for registration and insurance. And you're on the kind of device where we're not gonna be able to verify that. Have you taken care of your registration and insurance issues?
Yes, I have valid license and insurance now.
Okay, and your vehicle is properly registered?
Yes, it is. I just recently had court with I think it's Oakland County and for the same tickets, and I got everything cleared.
It'll be just a minute. City attorney is here. It'll be a moment.
Yes, Your Honor,
Okay.
there is an offer. The having documents doesn't much change the offer, Your Honor. There's just too many tickets.
So what is the offer?
Let's see, 2 allowings,
Okay.
3 improper plates, and amending open intox driver to passenger.
Are we looking at the same?
Jasmine Turner,
Yeah, where's the open impasse? Is it on a different page?
it's middle of page 2, or like 3 down on my docket.
So I've got her on the 8:30 docket.
Correct.
Oh, I see. Open alcohol. Okay, open passenger. Okay. All right, Ms. Turner, I'm going to return you to breakout room.
Okay.
How do I do that? Okay, Pamela Parker, did someone bring you out? Pamela Parker. Pamela Parker. Pamela Parker, I need you to speak up or I have to remove you. Ms. Parker? Pamela Parker. She went back. She's jumping all around. She's in different breakout rooms. I can't understand what's happening. All right, we're gonna have to try to move some of Ms. Testimarian. So Victor Terrell, Madam Clerk, it says he's got tickets and warrant status and he was scheduled for April 27th. Does that mean we don't have a file?
Right.
We're just keeping him waiting here. We can't do anything with him.
I think I just gave, those are the ticket numbers I gave Attorney Testimarian.
That he's, oh, you ran the SOS. What'd you get on his SOS?
Valid for Victor Terrell, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Valid, but he has no insurance, misdemeanor, speeding, and improper equipment.
Okay, so we need to know what he's done about these things, about the insurance. Let me see if I can get him.
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Okay, give me just a minute. This might be your next one.
No problem.
Mr. Terrell, good morning again.
I have.
Yeah, good morning.
Okay, so you got, where did he just go? Hopefully he'll call back in.
Are these all his open? Everything's
Just those four that start.
But his license is valid, so we need to know about his insurance and his improper equipment, whether he's addressed those, and then he'll need an offer on the speeding.
A limited access 1 to 5. And I'll move for dismissal on the other 3. He'll need to come back.
Okay, thanks.
And this guy is.
Hopefully he'll log back in. All right, we're ready on Arian Thomas. Pamela Parker. All right, Ms. Thomas, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Is this a funny prank setup or should I be worried about what's broken in the house? And where's Tina? Standing by. What?
I think so. I'm about to mute my son's TV. I apologize. Okay. Can you hear me now?
All right. I can, thank you.
No
All right,
problem.
I have tickets numbered U633894422 and U640481122. These are both city versus Arian Thomas. Ms. Thomas, just state your name for the record, please.
Arian Thomas.
Thank you. All right, so I understand we are going to be dismissing the card ticket and doing a payment upon, a dismissal upon payment of fines and costs on your other ticket. Is that consistent with your understanding on the semi-nude?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand that you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Is it true, ma'am, that on February 25th, 2022, in the area of, an address on Ford Road ending in 728 Ford Road, that you appeared semi-nude at a business which would have required a license to operate in that fashion?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. The fines and costs are $190. As soon as you get them paid, this will get dismissed from your record. And if you do it and you want to make sure, you can always zoom in off, little cutie, always zoom in a day or two later and just let us know that you've made the payment and we'll take it off, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
No.
Have a great day. Feel
Thank
better.
you. I'm sorry. Thank you.
We all understand.
Yeah.
What yesterday was all about.
Yeah.
Happy
exactly.
Mother's Day to you women also. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day to you. Bye.
Thank you.
Right, I have Sharice Young. Please unmute.
Yes, this is Victor Terrell. My device just dropped it. I just dropped signal.
Okay, Mr. Terrell, I'm going to grab your file. Give me just a minute.
Okay.
recall it, because he's the one that had April 27th.
Okay, so you missed a court date, but we can hear your tickets anyway. The city attorney is, I need you to stop moving around.
That's why I'm trying to get to the table right now. I'm sorry.
All right, so the city attorney has offered to dismiss all of your misdemeanor tickets and reduce your speeding ticket to what's called 1 to 5 over limited access, which is a 0-point ticket. If you want to take that, you don't have to wait anymore. That's the offer in your file. So all misdemeanors dismissed, 0 points on the speeding.
Yes.
Okay, Madam Clerk, would you call the matters, please?
For Victor LaRue Terrell Jr., SP 1881033, counts 1 and 2, no operator's license on person, no insurance misdemeanor, and SP 1881034, counts 1 and 2, 16 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed and improper equipment.
Thank you. Just state your name for the record, please, sir.
Yes, Victor Terrell.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Terrell. So the offer, as I said, is that you're just admitting to going 1 to 5 over the posted speed limit, or at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit. Can I have a date and location on that, Madam Clerk?
March 13, 2026, Hubble and Finkel.
So you are admitting that at that date and location, you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. $125, 60 days to get that paid. If you can't pay it within the 60 days, see the cashiers on the first floor for a longer term payment plan. They'll just want a down payment from you, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
You can pay online or in person. Have a great day, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Anna Pickard, her self pride. Her self pride is just insurance. Did we check to see if they had insurance? Have I done that yet?
Yeah, she said she did.
Okay, and that's why she had to wait. Thank you. Savannah Pickard. Oh, she's an allowing with a 3-month delay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Judge, I renamed the rooms. Hopefully everybody can.
Yep, I see you've got, I don't know who this Giovanni Taylor is, but she's probably gonna have to return another day. It's late. So I've got Conrad Taylor, FTD and blockading, dismissal of 2. You probably already have offers on rooms 21 and 25. I see you renamed 26. And I think I renamed 29 with your offer, so. Okay.
And Pickard, I'm trying to figure out. Oh, 3-month delayed on Miss Pickard. She has the allowing.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Okay.
I have a Giovanni Taylor. Giovanni Taylor, you'll need to unmute. Mr. Taylor, it's not a real good idea to show up for your probation review 2 hours late and smoking.
Okay, I put it up.
You're still 2 hours late. And my probation officer that was here has come and gone. So you're gonna need to be rescheduled for your review.
How do I reschedule?
Well, we're gonna do it right now.
Okay.
How quickly can I reschedule, Mr. Taylor?
I don't know, it says at the last review, the case is now not reporting until fines paid, no further random testing.
Oh, this is what I just did last week.
There's still a fine of $500.
So, Mr. Taylor, when was
Yes.
Mr. Taylor in court last?
February 9th of this year. And it was scheduled for review for today.
Okay. So February 9th, you were here. It was scheduled for today for review. They're telling me you still owe $500. What's going on there?
Oh, I've been paid. I've been paid. I've been given 100 every month.
You say 100 March.
So you need 5 more. You need 5 more months to get it paid off.
Well, probably 2 more months.
Well, I mean, it's up to you, Mr. Taylor. I don't want to bring you back unnecessarily. When do you think it's going to be paid?
Well, I said about 4 more months.
Okay. So let's set it out to, where would 4 months put us? August, September, sometime in October, probably.
90 is August, so September.
September.
Middle of September, like September 15th.
Okay, as long as it's not a weekend.
It's a
All right, we'll have you come back September 15th, Mr. Taylor. September 15th at 8:30. We'll keep your probation non-reporting at this time. We'll just follow up with you in September to see if it's paid, okay?
If it's paid off before then, do I just contact contact the court?
You can just zoom in like you did today, actually, and you can let us know. You can contact the court, but I mean, you can also zoom in here and let us know that you paid everything and you'd like to see if you can get early release from probation.
Okay, and you said that's September
15th is when you're scheduled. 8:30 in the morning, please.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Corporal Spidel, good morning. I know you were here earlier. Corporal Spidel.
Again. I had to zoom into another court. I was just signing back in.
Okay, I don't know. You'll need to contact Ms. Horn about what went on with your matter. If it was Marcus Price, he didn't appear.
Okay, that was it. Thank you. You have a good
Okay.
day.
Have a good day. Bye. Okay, I guess Conrad Taylor didn't like that offer. She'll still find herself. Looks like, I don't know if did you let Mr. Taylor go or did he get knocked off?
I gave him a adjourn date to come back on May the 26th, 8:35 a.m.
That's okay.
It said he was on the afternoon docket, so I had to go to the website to try to figure out what the matters were that he didn't have.
Attorney Testimony, his offer was right there in the room file. We had pulled it up. Ms. Horn had placed the offer in the name of the room, which he does. So just check there before you.
I did not see the ticket numbers. I didn't.
Gotcha.
I didn't. He didn't have ticket numbers to give me. I didn't have any ticket numbers. So I
All
went on
good.
the website to see if I could figure out what tickets we were talking about.
Okay. How about we've got Savannah Pickard in room 21. I think she's got an offer to a 3-month delay.
Okay.
That's on Savannah Pickard. So I think she's got an offer to a 3-month delay if you want to take that to her. But double check it first.
What's the charge?
I think it's an allowing. I've got to pull her up on my docket. Attorney Wilkerson.
Yes,
Attorney
I was actually
Wilkerson.
coming out to see if Miss Testifer Marion needed some help, but she just disappeared on me.
I think that would be great. She's and yeah, if you could work with Jasmine Turner, I don't know if she's going to like that offer. She does have a valid license, but that is still the offer, 2 allowing 3 improper plates and an open passenger. So if you would handle that one, I'd appreciate it.
Okay, perfect. I'll do that one.
Good morning again, Ms. Turner.
Good morning.
Go ahead and call your matters, okay?
Okay.
And then Attorney Wilkerson, could you assist with room 25? That's probably, should be an offer to improper plate. I don't think she has insurance docs.
Okay, do you remember the one for Turner, or do you need me to put it in the notes? I just realized I put a set plea
I
offer.
had it, so it's 2 allowing, 3 improper plates, and 1 open alcohol passenger. I got it.
I'm going to do 25.
All right, calling ticket number P1235397 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Jasmine Turner. Ms. Turner, please state your name for the record.
Jasmine Turner.
Thank you. Looks like we're going to have a 2 counts of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, so non-moving violations, 3 counts of improper plates, and then 1 count of open alcohol passenger, with the other matters being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, I understand.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on August 11th of 2021 in the area of 7 Mile and Archdale, that you possessed an open container of alcohol in the passenger area of a vehicle that was operating on a public roadway?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Ma'am, is it true that on August 15th of 2022 in the area of Chrysler and 7 Mile, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true that the vehicle did not have proper plates at the time due to a lack of registration?
Yes.
And is it true that the vehicle did not have proper plates at the time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. 1 moment, please. Is it also true that on July 19th of 2022 in the area of a westbound I-96 in Wyoming, that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
And is it also true that the vehicle did not have proper plates at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, your fines are going to be as follows, ma'am. For the record, everything else is dismissed. On your open alcohol passenger, that fine is $190. On your allowing, that one is $190 on both tickets. So you have 2 counts of allowing at $190. And then each of your improper plates is $100. So 3 fines of $190, 3 fines of $100. I'm going to give you 90 days, okay? In those 90 days, you may pay these tickets in full to keep your deal alive, or go see the cashiers on the 1st floor of our courthouse if you need a longer term payment plan. They're just going to want a down payment from you to start the down payment plan. I'm giving you 90 days. I'm sorry, your down payment. I'm giving you 90 days to get that down payment together if you need to do that, okay? All right,
Okay.
have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Thanks, bye-bye. Pamela Parker.
Yes.
Hi, ma'am. I realize you've been going in and out all morning. We're gonna have to try to see what can be done with your case. Have you spoken with either of the attorneys?
I can hear you. Can you hear and see me?
I can see you. I can hear you, but it goes in and out. So what they're gonna want to know, ma'am, is Did we run can you run an SOS on Pamela Parker, please?
It's expired.
Okay, your license is expired. The other things you have is for insurance. What are you doing about your driver's license?
I have insurance and I go Wednesday. I go Wednesday to take a test and get my permit.
Okay, very good.
I
So
have
the
an
best thing,
appointment.
is probably going to be for you to come back then after your Secretary of State appointment. Council, would you guys agree?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so Ms. Parker, I'm going to give you a date to come back so that you get to do what you need to do with the Secretary of State. I'll have you come back on May 26th at 8:35 a.m. Madam Clerk, you getting that? Pamela Parker, May 26th, 8:35 a.m. for final pretrial.
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Parker, so zoom back in on May 26th at 8:35, and then hopefully you'll have your license back in order. Things will go better for you, okay? You can't hear me again. All right, guys, we got anybody left? So we've got Pickard. All right, and we're gonna set Ms. Pickard or Picard for a bench trial. We've got improper place on Tercel Pride. Ms. Parker.
Keep jumping in and out like this.
May 26th, 8:35, May 26th, 8:35 a.m. And you got to find a better place with a better signal.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, May 26, 8:30. Thank you.
Okay, have a good day. Good luck getting your license. All right. Oh, all right. On Savannah Pickard or Picard, I'm seeing that we need to set Ms. Pickard for a bench trial. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, our trial date is going to be June 1st. Ms. Pickard, I need you to unmute so I know that you are hearing this next court date.
I'm here. I heard it.
Okay, trial is going to be set for June 1st at 9:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
We'll see you then. Have a good day.
Thank you as well.
Uh-huh. And then we'll do Terrell Pride. Good morning again, Ms. Pride. Calling ticket number 729-980, City versus Terrell Pride. Ms. Pride, state your name for the record, please.
Tercel Pride.
Thank you. I understand there's going to be a plea to the reduced charge of improper plate. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. Did anyone promise you anything else, Ms. Pride, to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Okay, please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I do.
Is it true, ma'am, that on December 9th of 2021 in the area of East Jefferson and Randolph, you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Your fine is $190. You have 60 days. Within that 60 days, you must pay the fine in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Let them know if you need a longer term payment plan, give them their down payment within the 60 days and your deal remains in place, okay?
All righty. Thank you.
Have a great day, Ms. Pike.
Thank you too. Bye-bye.
All right, counsel, thank you both for your very hard work. Ms. Pillow, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You guys will email your dates to Madam Clerk and everybody have a great day.
Victor Terrell, what happened to him?
Have a great day.
He got a 1 to 5.
Thank you.
Limited, okay?
Okay.
I think so. Was that Victor Terrell? Yeah. 1 to 5 limited.
Okay.
Okay, everything else dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Court Reporter.
You're welcome, Judge. Have a good day. Bye, Madam Clerk.
All right, see you later.
All right.